Still downtown on the waterfront. Look at this massive tree. You see that? You see that? Downtown waterfront. Very lovely, very quiet, but it's very ideal to come by in the afternoon. But it can be a bit dangerous down here as well. Heading toward the Digicel building, that building there. Now is not the ideal time to be down here. And in the night you have to be very careful. I don't want to say that in my video why you have to be very careful, but you have to be very careful. See, that's the Digicel building. Water looks very dirty and deep. Ay. That's the building. Well, this is it.